Hey guys, it's Alex at Hogworkz, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove your outer fairing on a 22 to 25 Low Rider ST. So follow us around today in the shop, show you how to get that done, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our page. All right, so the first thing we're going to do with the T27 Torx bit is remove the 6 screws that are holding your windshield on. All right, just like that, the windshield comes off. And then the next thing we're gonna do is remove our air deflectors. 1 screw on each side. So then the next thing we wanna do is remove the 4 screws that are holding the inner and the outer together. Again, with a T27. Once you remove this last screw up here, you'll want to make sure that you're hanging on to the outer fairing because it will be free at this point. So we're just going to bring it down. And then we want to disconnect the headlight. And just like that, pretty simple, pretty easy. Your outer fairing for your Low Rider ST is now removed. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.